Hello guys, welcome to another episode. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kachi. Thank you for joining me today on another beautiful episode. So if you're new and you aren't subscribed, welcome to the gang. First of all, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button you see down below, and then don't forget to leave your notifications bell on to be aware whenever I post every new video. You will be notified first, and then don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and your amazing family members. Tell them that there is a channel called Kachi Beauty Lifestyle. We'll talk about skincare and the overall health and hygiene of your body. Alright, so without further ado, let us quickly hop right into this video. So guys, as you can already tell from the title, I'm going to be giving you guys tips or awareness on acne or breakouts, or what you need to know about acne or breakouts, especially if you've been dealing with acne and breakouts for a very long time and you've not been able to figure out a routine or a pattern that works for your acne prone skin. This topic is actually very important to me to share to you guys because my facial skin is acne prone and I've been dealing with breakouts off and on for the longest of time. I've just been able to manage my facial acne prone skin, right? No skin is perfect under the surface of this earth, but we try to actually maintain it to the best and the healthiest way possible, okay? Before we talk about anything else like skin glow and all that. Before now, I've had my own share of skin breakout situation. It's been hard, it's been so difficult. Like, I was not able to figure out a direction or a pattern that works for me, and for every time I try out a particular product, I end up getting adverse or reverse effects. Like, it works for me, and after some time the breakout is more intense, even worse, and sometimes the spots on my face. It used to be very embarrassing for someone that had actually drawn her niche to skincare. It's actually very embarrassing. Like, I'm going to give you guys a clue on what my skin used to look like up on the screen so you guys can see. That is actually, a very milder situation. I just thought we should just back up a little bit, start afresh. It's a new year. Let us figure out a lot of things that is actually wrong with our foundation. So if you're having breakouts or acne situation on your skin, both your body and your facial skin, I'm going to give you guys some tips and awareness that would help you, guide you on how to manage your acne prone skin. Okay, so if you're still interested, let us quickly dive right into this topic. Let us not waste so much time. Okay guys, so there are 6 tips with an extra, because I'm a queen of extra. So I'm going to give you guys an extra tip, all right, at the end of the video. So you need to stick around till the end of the video. The first thing you need to know about acne and breakout is that dirt is not the only cause of acne and breakouts. It's a very huge factor, yes, but it is not the only factor that actually gives breakouts or that causes breakouts and acne. Okay, there's so many factors. The skin is actually a very complex organ. You need to actually figure out what you're giving it, because it is what you're actually giving it or what you're allowing it to experience that it will tell you. The skin will talk to you and tell you that I don't like this. There's some kind of acne that will tell you which part of your body is actually stress for you to work on. I'm going to be sharing that at the end of the video, okay? But for now, let us just give our point. So dirt is not only the cause of breakouts or acne. There is hormonal change, there is pregnancy, there is stress, there is environmental factors, there is also medications as well. So it depends. So know your skin, know your body, know what you're giving it. If it's not good for it, it will tell you and it will react. You just listen, all right? Don't pay deaf ears to the things that it is not telling, okay? Don't just concentrate on what you think is wrong, all right? That's why sometimes it's good to seek medical practitioners or professionals in the field, so they can be able to detect what exactly is wrong depending on the kind of pimple or acne or breakouts that you have. They can't tell you what is actually wrong with your body, so you can tackle and find it very easy. Okay, so that's number 1. The next awareness or point or tips I want to give is you can actually use some medication to help to manage your acne. If you're someone that wants to use vitamin C to manage your acne, yes you can, but make sure that you're using a much more stable form of vitamin C. The L-ascorbic vitamin C is actually much more unstable compared to the ascorbic phosphate, okay? The ascorbic phosphate is actually a much more stable form of vitamin C that you can use to actually handle or manage your acne situation, okay? Get a much more stable form of vitamin C and work it with zinc. Okay, definitely you're going to manage that situation as much as possible. Those are the two products that I can tell to an extent would help you to manage your acne situation. It actually depends on your acne, but if at all you're going to use vitamin C, right, make sure that you're using the stable form of vitamin C. The third tips or awareness I want you to know about acne is that, guys, please don't allow anybody to deceive you. Products or skincare products, right, cannot permanently get rid of your acne. If you're an acne prone skin and you easily have breakouts, just know that when you are using products or you're using supplements, they just manage the situation part time. Like, they help you to give a little or no appearance of the breakout. That does not necessarily mean that you have permanently gotten rid of the breakout. Please know this and know peace, especially if you stop using a particular product and you experience little breakouts coming in gradually, due to probably some environmental factors and the things that you're doing, it comes back and reappears. Just know that it is not out of place. The only thing you need to know is know why you're having breakouts and know what to use to manage your breakout. Skincare supplements are not permanent medications to breakout or acne. They only help you to manage the situation to the bare minimum at that particular time. So the longer you stay with your skincare routine, the longer you manage your skin, the longer you keep your skin healthy, the longer you have a beautiful skincare routine, the much more toned down appearance of acne and breakout you would have. I hope that is clear. If you stop with your skincare, if you were thinking you have like a magic potion skincare product that once you use after 3 days it is never going to come back, you're lying to yourself, and whoever that sells that to you is actually lying to you as well. Okay, you can actually just manage with your routines and your skincare products and your supplements, but you cannot permanently, right, get rid of acne or breakout situation, especially if you're acne prone skin. Please know that and know peace. Having breakouts from time to time due to stress and whatever is a natural situation, so that you don't really curse yourself out and stress yourself out on what is happening to you as though something is wrong with you. Nothing is wrong with you. Take it from me as an experienced breakout personified human. Okay, all right, so the next tip, which is the number 4, I think, also, I've lost count, but then the next tip I want to share with you guys is that please know that products that contains alcohol does not necessarily dry out your pimple. Now, this is something that a lot of people fall short by. Please know that sometimes it is not the alcohol content that dries out the pimple. All right, there are other amazing beautiful ingredients that are embedded in your serums and your moisturizing face creams that helps you to dry out your pimples, and not product that is high in alcohol. A lot of people fall short of this because they feel alcohol it's a drying agent. So once you put it on your skin, if you have breakouts, you feel that the alcohol will help you to shrink and dry the pimple. That's fallacy. Okay, as a matter of fact, alcohol sometimes, especially on sensitive skin, can cause some adverse effects. Yes, because it is so harsh, especially on sensitive skin, that rather than doing the job that it's supposed to do, which is drying your pimples in quotes like you think it would, it actually does the opposite. It causes more breakouts and causes much more reaction. Okay, so if you are sensitive skin, I think not just sensitive skin, if you are acne prone and you are in that prime, the acne is very, very pronounced and it's actually very young and very delicate, I would advise, rather than going for alcoholic content or product serums or toners that is high in alcohol or that contains more alcohol, I would advise that it is better you actually gravitate towards a much more hydrating skincare routine. Basically, all I'm saying is that do not be harsh on your breakouts or your acne, right? If it is just coming out, if it is fresh, if it is just opening, all right, do not be harsh on it. And alcohol can be very harsh on breakouts or on acne, because at that point you are just called sensitive, like your skin is sensitive. Even if you are not sensitive skin, when you start having breakouts, you are just sensitive at that point. So please gravitate more on hydrating products like hydrating moisturizers, okay, that contain some kind of ingredients that would help to manage your acne as well. Hydrating your skin or your facial skin or your breakouts or your acne prone skin at that particular time will do a lot on your skin. It will soothe it, it will calm it, it will not make it to be everywhere in one place, and give it a very comfortable environment so that whatever you use afterwards can really work properly. The next tip actually complements the previous tip, and this is me telling you guys that if you are breaking out and you're having acne, at that time where it is coming out fresh, please do not, or should I say, stay away from physical exfoliants, because you are trying to be very harsh on your skin. Physical exfoliants are abrasive on the skin. If you must use an exfoliant, use a very mild exfoliant. Talk to your professional on skincare. They would give you the best that would work for your skin. Okay, make sure you're using a very mild chemical exfoliants that would help you to get rid of the dead skin cells in the surface area of the acne skin, and then seal it up with a very good hydrating moisturizer so that you don't expose it to environmental factors like the sun and some other environmental factors that might want to damage your skin while you're treating it. I hope that is clear, and I hope you understand this tip. The last tip I'm going to give you guys before I give you guys my extra tip, all right, is that please make sure that you talk to professionals. I've always said this. I said this in the beginning and I'm saying it now. Make sure that you're speaking to professionals in your skin. You cannot know it all. That's the biggest mistake I had. I thought that I could figure out my way through my acne situation. So I was going into the internet, I was seeing people doing DIYs, I was following up with a lot of people trying out stuff that work, not knowing that skin is different and the reason for your acne would actually give you the solution that you need to that acne. All right, so it is very important that if you cannot figure out your way around, you have tried a lot of things by yourself like I did and still no results, please do yourself good and do your skin good by going straight to a dermatologist. You might be saying, I don't have the funds and that's why I want to do it myself. Talking to them once or twice can actually give you a guideline on how to do it yourself. If you have not spoken to a professional, you have not spoken to anybody that understands skin professionally, you might be getting it all wrong. All we do here in the internet for you guys is give you guys guidelines. We have not seen you guys, we've not known your skin, we've not examined the skin, so we cannot give you guys 100% clue on what to do on your skin. Online tutorials and online tips helps, all right, to inform you, but it will not give you a total guideline or 100% pathway or a skin care routine that would work for you effectively. We're just trying to inform you like I am doing, all right, telling you guys that you can try a lot of things and you can have this information, but if you're not talking to a skincare professional, a dermatologist and what have you, you might still be having your pattern or your skincare routine all wrong. If you value your skin health, book, it will not cost you anything to just book once or twice so they can give you a guideline on your skin, and then you can pick it up from there and start working with the routine that is given to you. That way you know that you've cut short on the long procedures and process you need to go through before you finally start seeing results like I did. Okay, do not be like me, don't waste all your time. Just go straight to what is actually important. Talk to them, they give you a guideline on what to do on your skin, and then you work it up from there by yourself and you start having amazing looking skin, even while you know that you might have breakouts from time to time, but because you already have a guideline or a skincare routine that would manage the health of the skin and the health of the breakout situation, you're good to go basically. Okay, all right guys, so to the bonus tip that I promised you guys, I want to give you guys a clue on what you should know if you're having breakouts on several parts of your facial skin. So there are some parts of your facial skin breakouts that will actually tell you the particular part of your body that is having lapses that you need to work on to get that breakout cleared. Like I told you, the skin organ is actually a very complex organ. All right, it tells you literally what is going on in your body sometimes, and sometimes we don't know about this, right? Like we say, knowledge is power. What you don't know is bigger than you. So sometimes the parts of your skin that is having breakouts can literally determine or tell you what exactly is going on in your body that you need to address and work on to get a very healthy lifestyle. Okay, so let's talk about the forehead. If you are always having breakouts on your forehead, just know that you might be having stress situation, or it might just be that probably your hair or your hair bands, whatever you're wearing, is actually dirty. It can be as a result of dirt as well from your hair or something, and it can also be as a result of a clogged skin. All right, if your skin has produced sebum that has settled in the first layer of your skin, it will definitely give you breakouts over time. Okay, the next part of your facial skin that tells you what is wrong with your body generally is your jawline. So if you're having acne around your jawline, please note that it might just be gut health situation. Okay, you might be having problem with your gut. Probably your gut is not clean. You need to cleanse and detox. Your gut health is actually very unhealthy, and yes, you need to work on that too. Secondly, it might just be hormone, probably pregnancy hormone or general hormonal imbalance situation. Okay, so the next part of the skin I want to talk about is your chin. Okay, if you're having breakout around the chin, it is just a general health situation. Okay, it might just be your livers or your kidneys having little or a very serious health challenge that you need to go to the hospital to check properly and treat. Okay, secondly, it might be medication. Maybe the medicine you're taking is not doing good on your system is not accepting it, it's causing some kind of situations that you don't know. The skin will tell you on around your chin when you're breaking out while you're using the product. It might still be environmental factors, stress, air pollution, sweat and all. If you are having a dirty skin, your chin will also still tell you. So like I said, the chin breakout or acne situation, it's a general situation. It might still be dirt from your hair, it might still be hormonal imbalance, so it's a general situation. If you're always having acne or breakout around your chin, generally you need to check yourself up from head to toe and figure out what is wrong. All right guys, so that is all the tip that I have for you guys to share on acne situations, the awareness you need to know about your breakouts and your acne prone skin. Okay, I hope this helps. Let me know the tips and the tricks that you have been trying that has been working for you. Let me know your skincare routine if you're an acne prone skin like myself. I hope you guys understood. I hope it was informative to you guys. I hope you guys learned something. If you have questions, you have contributions, we don't know it all around here, please let us know down the comment section. So that's all about the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Until next time, I would say bye.